What's going on, guys? William James here, and in this video I want to ask you a question, which is traffic really your problem? So today we're going to dive into this whole question of traffic and what the importance of it is and how to solve the actual problem that you're probably having. So if you're new to the channel, my name is William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, course creators, anybody who is growing a home-based business online, specifically using Facebook. I teach free organic Facebook traffic strategies and monetization strategies in my free Facebook group. If you're not already a member of the group, there'll be a link below this video where you can join the group. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments. That really does help to push this video out and let YouTube show it to more people. And please, of course, subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell icon if you'd like to be notified when I do a new video. So with that said, guys, I want to say that this question of traffic this is kind of like one of my big pet peeves about our industry, which is that there is this idea that almost everybody has that not getting enough traffic is the source of all of your problems, and that what you need to be doing is figuring out how to get more traffic. And the idea is that people are not successful because they don't have traffic. And in my opinion, traffic is really not the issue. You know, there's a great book. I believe which one is it? I think it's this one. I think it's .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. Although he talks about this in Expert Secrets as well. Or he's talking about, usually in his opinion, when he goes into consult with businesses, usually they think that the problem is traffic, but actually it's a problem with their funnel. And of course, his whole perspective on this is looking at business through funnels, because he's the CEO of ClickFunnels and optimizing funnels. But for people who are doing affiliate marketing, especially organically on Facebook without ads, typically we're employing more of a content marketing type strategy rather than just running cold ads to a sales funnel. But the same idea applies, which is that the problem is really not you don't have enough people looking at your stuff. The problem really is, what are you sending people to and what are you doing with them, right? You see, part of the like mystification of all this is the result of all these there's so many like stupid little products that you get from JVZoo and ClickBank and Warrior Plus and all these, the new traffic hack, how to get 971 hits to your website per day. And it's like, who cares? It doesn't matter if you can get 900 clicks to your website per day if the people, like, what people are forgetting is that traffic is human beings, right? And so, like, just the numbers of clicks that someone is getting means absolutely nothing if what they're clicking on isn't targeted to who they are. Does that make sense? So for instance, when I was first kind of getting started doing this and I was trying all these different things, I had this idea, this brainwave, that I was going to get tons of clicks using Tumblr. Now, Tumblr still is a sort of picture-based blogging site, and I started a Tumblr blog, and it's very easy to get a lot of followers on Tumblr. But it didn't have anything to do with my niche. It wasn't anything to do with make money online. I was just posting nice pictures, right? And I set it so that every time somebody clicked on one of my pictures, it would take them to a lead capture page for my business. It was about make money online, and I had all this tracked. And I built up this whole big Tumblr following, and it got to the point where I was getting like 50,000 clicks a day or something. Like, it was ridiculous. Maybe it wasn't a day, but it was like a lot of, I know I got over 100,000 clicks in a month, something like that, to this lead capture page, and not a single person put in their email address. Why? Because the page had nothing to do with the blog, right? So like just getting a ton of people to look at something doesn't do anything. It's not relevant, right? What's relevant is, do you have something to say to a specific sort of person that's actually compelling enough for them to be interested? That is all that matters. Okay. So the traffic problem is very, very easily solved once you have these things in place. In other words, whether you're doing paid traffic or free traffic, all that matters is where you're sending the person. The traffic doesn't matter. So if you're doing paid traffic, say you're in affiliate marketing, I mean, paid traffic is like, just go buy solo ads. I mean, solo ads often stink, but like you can buy them, and you can buy like home business traffic, whatever. You can even try to run Facebook ads. Point is, you can get thousands and thousands of clicks in a matter of a minute, right? What's going to make the difference between whether those people turn into money or not is where you send them and what you say to them, how you communicate to them, right? So traffic is not the issue. If you're doing organic free Facebook traffic strategies, the way I teach, guys, there's like 3 billion people on Facebook. All you have to do is go message them. That's traffic, right? Getting the traffic is not the hard part. The hard part, or the part that people screw up, is knowing who to contact, because they're clear about what it is that they have to say and to who they're going to say it, right? So the whole point of this video, guys, is to get down to this point. What you actually need to figure out is, what is your message? What are you selling? Who are you selling it to? What problem does your offer solve? And who are the people that have that problem? Okay, once you have clarity about who the people are that you are trying to serve through your business, it's just a matter of going out and finding them and getting them, right? And whether or not you do that manually or whether you outsource it and, hire somebody to run ads for you, basically, or do it yourself, it's the same thing. What matters is the targeting and the message. What matters is matching your message to your market. See if there's a match and what you're saying is appealing and interesting to this group of people. That's where money is generated, right? See, I could go out, to a convention about, antique sports cars, let's say, where there's 10,000 people at a big convention about antique sports cars. I know nothing about this. I'm just making up an example. And I could go out there and I could, try to talk to them about, starting an online business, right? They're not going to be interested. It doesn't matter that there's 10,000 of them sitting there. There's no match, right? So the way that you make this whole traffic thing not an issue is by knowing what your message is, knowing what problem you solve, and knowing who the people are that solve that problem. And then all you have to do is either pay for, Facebook ads or whatever to target those people, or just go out on Facebook and add them and message them, which, yeah, it takes a little bit of time, right? Anything that's free and organic takes a little bit of time and effort, but it's not difficult. Yeah, so traffic is really not your problem. The problem is, what do you do with those people? And for me, like, my whole strategy around this is to try to find people who I think will be interested in what I have to say, which is teaching organic Facebook strategies, teaching affiliate marketing, sales strategies, all this kind of stuff. People who are interested in learning that. I go out and I find them. And my goal is to bring them into my world and bring them into my little ecosystem so that I can get them, my friend on Facebook, on my email list, in my Facebook group, watching my YouTube videos, right? That's my goal. You see, if I didn't have a Facebook group and a YouTube channel and good content on my Facebook wall and, the ability to write consistent good emails, If I didn't have those other things in place, it would be useless for me to go out and, find people, because there's nothing to engage them, right? I could go buy solo ads and spend thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is what I used to do. And this is what most people do. They get an affiliate link and then they go buy a ton of ads and send them to their affiliate link, or they go out and try to message people who don't know them and send them to an affiliate link. And what happens is these people don't have any idea who you are. Nobody's going to open your messages and read your messages. Nobody cares, right? Because you haven't done anything to get the interest of the people. The problem is not getting people. The problem is getting people's interest. And you have to do that by setting up your content creation ecosystem so that you can just bring people into that and they can start to become interested in you. Yeah? So yesterday I did a video about this, about the real formula for success, the TCO formula, I call it. And in that video, I talked about how T does not stand for traffic. Traffic is like a different part of this. T stands for trust. Yeah. In that video, I talk about trust, curiosity, and offer. And I say in that video that traffic is like not even that relevant. I mean, do you need it? Yes, you need it. But as long as you have your sort of marketing machine set up so that the T, the C, and the O are in place, trust, curiosity, offer are in place, and then getting the traffic is like the easy part. I mean, you can just buy it, or you just go out there and add people as friends, right? That's it. So stop worrying so much about traffic and start worrying about, what is your message? Who are you trying to serve? What problem are you solving? What problem is your offer solving? What is the value proposition that you're making for people, right? Because a lot of the time when people are struggling, it's because they don't know what the answers to those questions. And you must know the answers to those questions, or else you don't have a business, first of all, and you don't know how to get, the right people to come and be interested. And even if you did have the right people, there's nothing there that is going to interest them, right? So, hope that made sense, guys. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please join my group. If you're not already in my group, you can check out tons more awesome content about all the ins and outs of mastering the Facebook algorithm, getting leads, getting sales, building a real profitable, sustainable business simply using Facebook, all in my group. Also check out the links below. There's some cool opportunities and offers and things down below in this video, and check those out. All right, guys, hope you like this video, and we'll talk in the next one. Cheers.